Hi guys, welcome to Patty's Kitchen. We're having a simple, quick meal today. This is salmon, 2 cans of salmon, 14.75 cans each. And I put a stick of butter, a couple tablespoons of olive oil, and I cut up 1 onion, and cook some rice. Not showing you that recipe. We've done the rice thing before. And a can of English peas. It's just a quickie today. And I am going to spread the salmon over the rice. I didn't want to make croquettes today. And you see all of the onions in here. I put Obey seasoning and some other seasonings. Um, Onion powder, garlic powder, white pepper, white ground pepper. But use the seasonings of your choice. And I will come right back.